Hello, thank you for joining us. In this tutorial, we'll be covering the MQTT message partial. Before proceeding, please have EB Pro version 6.06.01 or later. To begin, click on MQTT. Click on the server settings. Then set the HMI as the MQTT server. Set up the topic publisher. Set timestamp as topic. Select address, auto, as sending mode. Select value, trigger-based. Select JSON, simple, as content format. Set the topic content. This demo will publish the HMI time to MQTT server. Uncheck the Include in All Message Sent box. This value will be sent only when the value changes. Use the same settings on local minute value. Set up the topic subscriber. This value will be sent only when the value changes. Configure with the same setting as MQTT topic publisher. Add the destination address of the subscribed topic. Uncheck the Required for Incoming Messages box. Configure same settings on minute value. Put the HMI time values on the screen. Put the destination addresses on the screen as well. Download the project to the HMI. There is only second value in the messages if the minute value doesn't change. When minute value changes, the HMI will publish the minute value and second value in the topic. That concludes this tutorial. Thank you for watching.